Chinese scientists may have found a vampire secret, allowing old mice to live longer using young blood. Creepy, Will.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Author says previous studies detail rejuvenation process, but not the essential mechanisms that explain how young blood triggers a response in aged cells. Chinese Academy of Sciences team is latest in decades-old journey to find key to rejuvenation, with entrepreneurs joining in the pursuit of longevity. I don't like where this goes, Will.
Gene hacking?
I don't like where this goes. No, I was thinking more along the lines, like, what do they mean by young blood? How are they getting the young blood into the old mice?
Hopefully donators, right?
They're talking about young
Mice
blood?
donator?
No, I mean like if they take it to human trials or something.
Yeah,
They're
but
not gonna-
right.
what do you mean donated? Why are you going to go give your young blood for an old person?
I don't know.
Maybe everybody has to do it. And get old blood.
See,
yeah.
get creepy with it because you know damn well how that works. Who's in control? Who's in the power?
Mm-hmm.
The powers that be. It's cool anyway. Chinese scientists have developed.
Sorry, I gotta
Oh.
find an article that
No, because we have the account for South.
Independent?
No, for South. The original
China?
one you had, South China.
Oh, I
Why
wasn't
aren't you?
logged in.
Why aren't you logged in, man? I pay those people.
Well, I found it.
Well, I'm trying to promote them. I paid them. A group of Chinese researchers has discovered a vampire technique involving taking young blood and injecting it into older mice to make them live longer. A new study led by researchers from the Chinese Academy of Sciences found that exposure to old blood could accelerate the aging of various organs and cell types in young mice, and that injecting young blood into old mice could rejuvenate their adult stem cells and surrounding somatic cells. They further identified that hematopoietic stem and progenitor cells, the stem cells that give rise to other blood and immune cells, are among the cells most sensitive to young blood. Most of the previous relevant studies have only demonstrated the rejuvenation phenomena and have not revealed enough about the essential mechanisms. The study aimed to find scientific evidence and answer the question of how young blood triggered a response in the aged cells. Published in a peer-reviewed journal, Cell Stem Cell, last Tuesday. I mean, implications enormous here. Obviously, this is very a sensitive idea.
Yeah.
I mean, you can just imagine farms and it's all sci-fi, terrifying stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
There's only one way I know of to get young blood, unless you can somehow grow young-ish blood in a lab that isn't affiliated with an actual living thing. But
So you wouldn't do this?
what am I? Am I the young one or the old one in this case? I mean, I know I'm the
Well,
old.
obviously the
I
old
assume
one.
I'm the old one. Obviously, the old ones would do it. They'd be like, "Yes, I'm young." But why are the young ones doing it without some kind of force? What are they doing?
I would imagine to be like maybe like a
What if they got paid?
grandchild, you know.
No, but what if you got paid?
Yeah, well,
Like
but even that
lineage
gets
kind of
creepy,
stuff,
right? Because
like
then it's
family.
rich poor scenario. Who are the donators?
But would it be
Right.
nice?
You don't care about. You're like, well, Mo's like, I work harder than that. Go ahead. No, I'm just saying. I don't know, because then what happens when you're old? Then you have an entire subset of people living and dying faster because they're getting leached.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's not acceptable.
I don't
But
know.
what if
man.
it was
Yeah,
done
you're
in
right.
like
I didn't
a
think too far. I was like, just give me the money and give me the blood.
You give me the money, I give you the blood. Give me the money, I give you the blood. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure they could find a way. They will find a way. If it actually works, they're going to find a way. But you know, there's all types of conspiracies about this stuff. You're getting close to 4chan over here. No, Will is, not you. I'm not blaming you. Will's getting close to 4chan over here, which is fine every so often. I mean, like, life is, the internet is vast.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, like, if they can find like a use case for this that is acceptable.
Oh, he's got the thing going. I can't handle it.
Hey, come here.
It is a lot.
He's just looking at me. Hey,
No, somebody in the chat says, you don't die faster if you get your blood drawn, Lou. Okay, it's not what I meant. I understand. I got my blood drawn many times. I'm just talking about that people will push it too far. People are going to push it
for
too far.
sure.
What if one person has superior blood type or attributes, and then they're like, we need more from.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just drain 'em
Listen, I
empty.
don't know.
It's like
Plus, then you got like
farm.
the official version of it, which is it's like everything else. You got the official version, which is
regulated and
and it's on a like in an office building on a clean floor, and then you got people trying to replicate it on the street
black
level.
market.
Oh god damn! And you got the global population involved. Come on, and it's it's like the organ trade.
right. Yeah.
Any body part, body fluid for sale. We gotta be on the lookout for that type of stuff.
Okay.
Will you maniac? Bring that thing to me.